So good day all and welcome to the South African lawn. Yeah, so it's me again with another video. Luckily this time only for 2 or 3 minutes. So something special has turned up to my front door and I want to share that little something special with you today. And I'm going to do a first impressions video on this little something special. So I hope you enjoyed the video. You probably saw the clip title and you know what it is already. Otherwise you wouldn't have clicked it and you wouldn't have watched this video. I hope you enjoy it. Stick around. Okay, so as you can see right there, I've got a lawn that's looking not so lacquer, okay? And that's a Scout lawn because I'm removing the sponge in my lawn. So this product could not have come at a better time. And there the product is. It's made by Kikuyu Guru and it's called the Lawn Leveler or the Lawn Leveler or the Lawn Leveler. Okay, so Lawn Leveler. Before I'm going to rip this open, why I'm excited about this product is I don't think in South Africa there's enough of these type of lawn care things. You know what I'm talking about. We're missing out on the good things in lawn that the other parts of the world have a little bit of an advantage on us. Okay, we have lacquer weather, so we've got that in our favor. But we've got things like this missing: lawn levelers, core aerators, scarifiers. We need to get in the game. Let's open it up. One thing I can definitely tell you is that I don't think it is pre-assembled, because otherwise this will be for very short guys. Like this length guys. Maybe Smithy, my friend. That'll be the right height for him. Ta-da! Looks beautiful. I will pick up the plastic. I'm not one of those. Oh, don't you just love that? User manual. They should not have wasted the paper printing me one. I'll probably regret that. After 20 minutes I'll be like, how the hell do you assemble this thing? Okay, so straight out of the box I can tell you one thing that I do like is, and that's one mistake that I've made with my own lawn leveler. So there's nothing wrong with building your own, but this feels quite a lot lighter. And mine is so heavy that I really struggle to push it. So mine is really a lawn leveler puller rather than a lawn level push and puller. Whereas I think this one might be the both, because it's aluminium. How do you say that, by the way? Is it aluminium? I know in Afrikaans it's aluminium. I don't know if it's aluminum or aluminium in English, whatever. Okay, yeah, so I've now gotten my toolbox, and it's not uncommon for me to make a 2-minute project, a 2-hour blood, sweat and tears thing, you know, and then finally reverting back to the manual and then doing it right. Oh, so the handle takes one screw here and then it becomes quite a long thing. Okay, so I think I've done it. Oh well, it doesn't fall apart, so it must be right. Oh my word. But there we have a lacquer, I tell you, a lacquer looking lawn leveler. First thing that I've noticed is it's a little bit smaller than the one that I've built. Mine is ginormous and also quite heavy. This is quite a bit lighter. I just think that this thing is going to make such light work, just because it's a little bit lighter than mine. Not that that one was even hard work, but I think that just this thing is just going to cruise. And also another thing that I've noticed, I'm about just under 1.8 meters tall, so I'm a kort ouetjie, but look at this decent length pole. What this does is it just allows you to reach even further and draw it back even further. So you really don't have to bend all the way down and hurt your back. So I'm not going to do a full review on this now. Like I say, in the next video, I'm going to test this out. It couldn't have come at a better time. The sand is waiting there to be put onto this lawn. However, if you watch this video in a year's time, it probably won't be the next video, because there'll probably be 50 videos in between. But in any case, so yeah, go and look at the top dress video with this one in. I'm going to link this product. I'll try and put it on the screen and also put it in the post description. So yeah, I think it is a very, very well built product, but the proof will be in the pudding. So you'll have to watch the next video to really see what I think of it. But first impressions looks very, very good. And then in the same breath, I can probably thank Kikuyu Gurus for sending this one out to me. I didn't pay for it, so they did send it to me free of charge. I really do appreciate you guys investing in my channel. But let me show you the thing, really. You didn't come here for me to talk. Yeah guys, so that's the lawn leveler by Kikuyu Guru. Looks awesome, and I really think whether you buy it from them or whatever, it just adds so much value to your top dress. While you spend the time and the money on getting the sand to your house or the soil or the whatever you want to spread across your lawn, you might as well invest in something like that. That'll just add so much value to what you are spending and adding to your lawn. It really makes it so flat, gets it to from lying on top of the leaf blades to actually get down into the soil so you can mow quicker. A lot of benefits which we'll also touch on in the next video, but it really adds value to your top dressing, and it's something to consider if you're really going to take your lawn serious and invest in getting your lawn as flat and as good as possible. Then something like this is a must. I really didn't know there was stuff like this available. I think it's only been recently manufactured, so that's why I actually took the effort to build one myself. So yeah, that's great to see these type of things now starting to pop up. Maybe it's just getting exposed to me now, but that is awesome. That is a step in the right direction, and I tell you what, if you take care of your lawn, that is one of the things that you maybe want to consider. So yeah, I hope this video has added some value to your day, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Look out for the next video where this product will feature, and I shall see you in the next video. Cheers for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.